Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This is Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we're going to be going over a theme for the LG V40, and you can download this off the Play Store. I believe it's like 175, 195, somewhere around there, and this theme is called the Twilight Theme, and it is by this guy over on the Play Store, Mark. He makes really nice themes for this device. You could go ahead and check out everything that he's got. I've been using the Pixel Experience Dark theme on my LG V40, and it's really nice, but I went ahead and downloaded this Twilight theme, and it works for the LG V40 and the G7 as well. And like I said, links will be posted in the description down below. This is a very colorful theme with a dark background. As you can see right here, all your icons on your notification toggles are very bright and colorful, but really nice with the black dark background. Your phone dialer, as you can see, it is all black. There's some circles around each of the numbers that I don't think the camera is picking up, but all your settings too, everything has this purple on the toggles, and all your icons are nicely colored. So really nice bright theme, but also keeping that dark background to save you on battery life. So really nice. Your messaging app, this is the LG stock messaging app. Everything is themed as well. So your keyboard would be black like this. The navigation buttons at the bottom have this Samsung look on them, and then up top you have your icons, which is your battery icon, and your Wi-Fi icon, your signal icon are also themed as well. So I really like this battery icon. It's really nice and clean looking. So props out to that. Very nice. As far as camera goes, some of the stuff isn't really themed that much. On your settings, you have a little bit of purple over here on your toggles. So a lot of this stuff is themed, but then some of it isn't. I believe like the calculator app. I think this is the LG one that is not themed. The clock is. So as you can see right here, nice and purple. So it's really nice theme. And so essentially what you're going to want to do, if you want to download this, you go ahead and go into the Play Store. You will hit install. And then once you're done with that, and it's done installing and you're done purchasing it, you're going to go ahead and go into settings. You're going to go into display, themes, and then you're going to go into themes on the LG theme store. And you're going to go ahead and find it. So this one will be the Twilight theme, and we'll go ahead and install it again. That way you guys can check out the default wallpaper that comes pre-installed with this theme, and it gives you a little preview of how everything looks. For some reason the icons are looking a little different on here. I installed and then I rebooted, but the icons still came out like this. So let's go ahead and try again, see if that changes anything. So you're going to hit apply. And then once that is done, let's see if it changes everything. Nope, it's still the same. You're gonna hit home, and then usually sometimes if you like do that, your navigation bar will still be white or something. So you're gonna want to go into settings, and then display, and your home buttons. You're just gonna want to click a different color real quick, but then go back to the black, and then your bar would be normal. If there's anything that's not right on here or it didn't change correctly, you could restart your device, and then everything should be nice and settled in. Like say you had another theme installed before you applied this one, that will usually mess it up, and then once you restart your device, you should be okay and good to go. But this is the stock wallpaper that comes on this theme, which is still really nice. Everything on this theme is just really nice and bright and colorful. But then, like I said, keeping that dark background to say battery, and it's just really nice. You got your background on your gallery is black. Your file manager, everything is black. And it also changes your icons, which I really do like these icons. Sort of remind me of a little bit of a Samsung look. And then the navigation bar, of course, reminds me of Samsung as well. So hope you guys enjoy. Go check this theme out. And if you have any other devices like the V20, the V30, or the G7, there's also some themes on that for those devices as well. So check that out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell for future notifications on when I post videos. So peace.